Happy Monday, boys and girls, and happy week 28. Wow, we made it 28 weeks of school.
Hello to the Roomers, and hello to the Zoomers, or the Roomies and the Zoomies, or the Roomeronis and the Zoomeronis, whatever you like. Work.
It's me, Miss Miguel, your PE teacher.
Your physical education teacher.
Let's start out by warming up our muscles to prevent injury because
we cannot stretch cold muscles.
60 seconds on the clock. Here you go. We're jogging in place. We're jogging, we're jogging, we're jogging, and we're jogging, we're jogging, we're jogging, we're jogging, and we're what? Okay. So we're gonna be jogging. We're gonna continue jogging, and now we're going to make a square. We're gonna do a square jump. So we're gonna jump and make the shape of a square. We're gonna do square jump, so we're gonna jump and make the shape of a square. Let's do that again. I made 2 squares that time. Let's go one more time. We're gonna make 2 squares. Here we go. Let's do that again.
Warm up check.
6 stretches. Let's start with tricep stretch first. Pull that elbow behind your head. Good. Switch it. Touch the back of your shoulder. Pull your elbow behind your head. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's go one more time. Switch. Pull your elbow behind your head. Switch. Pull your opposite elbow behind your head. Next stretch. Pull that stretch, pull your head to the side. If it starts to hurt, you're pulling too far. Let's switch and pull. Kind of let your head gently go down to that side. Good. Now let's interlock our fingers. Put our head down and pull on the back of your head, pull down. Criss-cross hamstring stretch. So our hamstring is right back here. We're gonna crisscross our feet one over the other. We're gonna lock our knees tight and we're gonna reach down and up. Cool. Down and up. It's really important that you find your balance. Down and up. Now we're gonna switch our feet. Down and up, down and up. Last one, down and up. Pectoral stretch. So our pectorals are here. So we're going to use the wall for this stretch. We're going to put our hand on the wall, our whole arm, and then we're going to slowly turn our body away from the wall. You feel that right in here, big time. Switch. Put that arm on the wall and then turn your body. Twist your body. Good. Another hamstring stretch is when our toes are together, our hands are out, and we're reaching. We're reaching. We're reaching. Let's go 3 more times. Reaching. 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 If you can, let's try to hold that reach for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to stretch our abdominal muscles, also known as our abs. It looks like a trunk lift. We'll lay all the way down and then we'll push up and back down, up and back down. Today we will explore our hamstring muscle. Do forward lunges.
Eat 100 million carrots.
Do push-ups.
So we're going to bake a cupcake on a plate. We're going to call it a plate cake.
What? Do curl-ups. Teach a dog about the muscles of the body. Do you know where your bicep muscle is? Do trunk lifts and record our BPM.
Our beats per minute, our heart rate.
Hamstring. Let's clap it. Hamstring. Not bad. Let's clap it again. Hamstring. So where is our hamstring? Let me show you again. I want you to feel that hamstring muscle. It's right above the back of your knee. Take a seat, and we're gonna feel some changes in our hamstring muscle when we move our leg. Remember, your hamstring is here. It's right above the back of your knee. So I want you to put one hand on your hamstring, and I want you to move your leg. Extend it all the way out, and then bring it back. Do you feel any changes with your hamstring right now? Okay. Does anybody's hamstring feel like it's getting tighter or harder when you extend your leg all the way out? Okay. Feel that change in that muscle when you extend your leg. Say hamstring 3 times, please. Hamstring, hamstring, hamstring. Point to my hamstring. Point to your hamstring. That's it. Right above the back of your knee. Point to mine again. Do they still do that? Do they still do the whoa thing? Is that old? Is it old? Boney, is the whoa old? Oh, okay.
Whisper hamstring 4 times. Hamstring, 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 hamstring.
Forward lunges. There are 3 different ways that you can position your hands for this. You can put your hands at your sides, at your hips, or you can put your hands behind your head with interlocking fingers. Today I'm choosing to keep my hands at my sides. When we step forward for a lunge, it looks like this. Try not to let your knee go out farther than your toe. Let's do 4 together now. We're going to say hamstring and clap it 3 times in a row. This matches me. Hamstring, hamstring, hamstring.
Biceps, triceps, hamstrings, quads, abs and obliques aren't too far. Latissimus dorsi, also called lats, deltoids, pectorals, and my calves. These are the muscles in my body parts, my trunk, my legs, and my arm.
Next up, push-ups. First, bend your knees and squat down. Crawl forward and get on your tiptoes. Remember, no booty mountain and no booty valley. Now let's talk about Tusmanos, your hands.
They need to be pointed forwards. They cannot be turned inwards. And they cannot be turned outwards. They must be turned forwards.
And we can't forget our elbows 90-degree angle. When you go down to touch your chest to the box, try to get your elbow as close to a 90-degree angle as possible. If you are still having difficulty with push-ups, you can change over to modified push-ups. Modified push-ups are a way to train for push-ups by taking some of the weight off of your upper body. The difference between modified push-ups and push-ups is that your knees are touching the ground. Okay, exercisers, it's goal time again. What is your push-up goal for today? Are you going to try to do 2? 4? Are you going to try to go all the way to 10? Whatever your goal is, make sure it's either the same as yesterday or at least 1 more.
We'll now begin the push-up section. Ready? Begin. Down, up, 1, down, up, 2, down, up, 3, down, up, 4, down, up, 5, down, up, 6, down, up, 7, down, up, 8, down, up, 9, down, up, 10.
What is your curl-up goal, exercisers? Is it 1? Is it 6? Or maybe you're trying to go all the way to 12 today. Make sure your goal today is either the same as yesterday or 1 more than yesterday at the very least. If you do need someone to hold your feet down, that's okay if your curl-ups are looking like this. Remember, feet flat, hands flat, knees to the sky. Make sure your hands are sliding forward across the ground with each curl-up. If you need someone to hold your feet, here are a few different ways they can do that. And if there's no one available to help you, remember you can always put something heavy on your feet or put your feet underneath a chair or couch.
We'll begin the curl-ups now. Ready? Begin. Up, down, 1, up, down, 2, up, down, 3, up, down, 4, up, down, 5, up, down, 6, up, down, 7, up, down, 8, up, down, 9, up, down, 10, up, down, 11, up, down, 12.
And now we're moving on to trunk lifts. You're going to lay down on your stomach. You're going to make sure your palms are facing up. And you're going to lift up, bringing your chin up as far as you can. Let's do 5 trunk lifts together. Up, 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up, 5.
Boys and girls, it's me, BPM Girl, and it's time for BPM break. And you know what that means?
6, 10 be 6, 10 be 10 be 10 be 6, 10 be 6, 10 be 6, 10 be 10 be 10 be 6, 10 beats times 6.
That's right. We're going to measure our beats per minute using 10 beat 6. Here we go. First, you know what we're going to find, don't you?
Find your pulse. We're going to count our beats for the next 10 seconds. Ready? Go. And stop. So we counted for 10 seconds. Check. I'm doing checks now. We counted our beats, and I had 11 beats, and we're going to multiply that by, we're going to times that by 6, and so I do 11 times 6. I know by heart that 11 times 6 is 66. So right now, my heart rate, my BPM is 66. Tell me yours. Hamstring, spell it on your arm. Hamstring. Hamstring. Just like we need to warm up our engines, we need to cool them down to prevent injury. Side facing warrior. Step forward, bend that front knee. One arm is going in front of you and one is going behind you. You're going to take a deep breath in and out. In and out. Do some breaths on your own. Question. Where is my hamstring located?
The red arrow or the green arrow? The correct answer is the red arrow.